How to make everyone notice you. Have you ever walked into a room and no one even glanced at you? Meanwhile, some people enter and all eyes are on them. What's the difference? Is attraction something you're born with, or can it be built? And if it can be built, what are the exact steps to make yourself someone people can't ignore? Today, I'll share with you powerful steps that will make you stand out anywhere you go. If you follow them, you won't just be seen, you'll be remembered. And if you also want to be respected wherever you go, I have a bonus tip at the end. Stay tuned. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Build an aura of confidence. Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and instantly command attention? It's not about looks, it's about presence. The way you walk, talk, and carry yourself determines how people see you. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and never hesitate when you speak. Make eye contact. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to show confidence without making people uncomfortable. Now think about this. What happens when you walk with your head down, avoiding eye contact? People ignore you. But if you start carrying yourself with confidence, suddenly people can't help but notice. Chapter 2. Dress like you matter. People judge you before you even speak. That's the truth. Wear clothes that fit well. It's not about expensive brands. It's about looking sharp and put together. Take care of your grooming. Even a simple haircut or a well-maintained beard can change how people see you. Smell good. A fresh, clean scent makes people remember you. Ask yourself, when was the last time you saw a well-dressed person walk by and you didn't notice? Exactly. If you're finding this video helpful, hit like and subscribe because there's a lot more coming your way. Chapter 3. Speak with power. The way you talk can either make people listen or make them forget you in seconds. Speak slowly and clearly. People who rush their words sound nervous. Lower your voice slightly. A calm, deep voice makes you sound more confident. Say less, but mean more. The more you talk, the less impact your words have. Now, imagine this. What happens if you always talk too fast or too much? People tune you out. But when you speak with control and purpose, people start paying attention. Chapter 4. Master the art of mystery. Attractive people don't reveal everything about themselves too quickly. Keep some mystery. Don't tell your whole life story in one go. Be unpredictable. If people always know what you'll do next, you become boring. Develop unique skills or interests. Being different makes you unforgettable. Think about this. Why are mysterious characters in movies always the most interesting? Because people want to figure them out. When you become a little unpredictable, people start getting curious about you. Chapter 5. The secret to instant respect. Looking good is one thing, but if you want people to truly respect you, here's the key. Set boundaries. Never let people treat you poorly. Improve yourself daily. People respect those who are always growing. Be direct. Say what you mean, and mean what you say. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to earn respect, check out the video on the screen right now. And don't forget, share this video with that one friend who needs it the most. See you in the next one.